How to turn on or turn off dim screen while recording with camera on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, open up the camera app. Next, tap on the quick controls button. Then tap on the settings icon. After that, we scroll down and then tap on camera assistant. Now scroll down, then tap on dim screen while recording. From the pop-up, you can choose off to turn it off. Otherwise, to turn it on, you can choose after 1 minute of no input, or after 2 minutes, 5 minutes, or 10 minutes of no input. So select one of the available options and then tap on the back key to go back to your camera, or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.